Hello guys, I am Utkarsh, your host in this series Discover AI brought to you by the Society of Artificial Intelligence. Today, we will be learning about the topic optimization of backtracking. Backtracking is an algorithm to solve problems recursively by making a solution incrementing one piece at a time, removing all those rules that fail to satisfy the problem at any point in time. It tries all possible combinations to solve a problem. Following this chart, suppose we have a problem which we need to solve using backtracking. We try out all the different paths which are possible to reach at a dead end and from where nothing can be computed further. As you can see, we begin from the start, then split into two directions based on the constraints in the problem, which further split into directions for other minor constraints. We keep on splitting and expanding until we find the optimal solution which will satisfy all the given constraints in the problem. It is popular because of its use as various stochastic search algorithms that are further used to solve many linear, nonlinear, and very complex numerical optimization problems. Research is going on increasing its speed of computation and making it more useful on complicated data sets. It has a single control parameter unlike other algorithms and is having a simple structure that is fast and capable of solving multimodal problems. You can see it will generate trails that will check each case until all constraints are met and we get an optimized result. The main applications of backtracking algorithm is in solving the chessboard problems, crosswords, Sudoku, and many other puzzles as it checks all possible constraints to find answers in the recursive process. Hope you got a general idea of how it works. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot to go with ahead. Thank you and enjoy learning with the Society of Artificial Intelligence.